Rwanda is a landlocked country in East Africa. Rwanda is a beautiful country with a pleasant climate and diverse landscape, including volcanoes, mountains, rainforests, and lakes. Rwanda women, they are born with natural beauty. Are you looking for big breasts and big nyash? Rwanda women, they are known for their industriousness and their dedication to the family and community. Men, are you kidding me? Oh, they are men, they are so gentle with a beautiful name like Emmanuel, Innocent, Joseph, and all their culture and their ways. So amazing. But Rwanda women, if you did not pay for their bride price, you don't go see their Canaan land. That means if you don't go see their parents, you don't go feel like them. Rwanda women, if you break their heart, let me say they will go call their brothers. So now them will beat you by themselves because they are so strong. But when it's come to music, they are the best. Their music make you fall in love with your girlfriend or your wife or your crush. Listen to that song. Listen to that. DJ, give it. Let's have it. You go, yeah. Anyway. The song is for the lovers. Are you kidding me? Shake it, baby. You want that?
Hey.
Damn shit there. Listen.
Guzubura amafaranga yari kujagera hari.
Okay. I close my eyes when she's around. I close my eyes when she's around. She blows my mind when she's around. She blows my mind when she's around. I take you to Casablanca, on the way, South Africa. Baby, come closer. Let me take you down to baby, to Rwanda. Oh baby, Rwanda? Are you kidding me?
Yeah, man.
My head will be yeah. Rwanda? Oh,
Sawa mbona wewe kuuliza. Iwe ikotera warijimije.
Daka.
Iwe. Chata bimbabarira w'inzitsi.
Akashaka kuyizimba.
Nawe ukajyamo. Nisa ngukatamo gusa. Anyway.
I'll go and get the turafatanye ntacyo maze
ndi kuba turiye
nawe uri umuntu nawe
ah saa birabaye pe kandi kiriho